circumference of a circle. Does anybody know what circumference is? Not the formula, what it is. Forward. Like the perimeter of a circle, or the distance around a circle. Okay? It is a length. Does anybody remember? There's two formulas. Anybody remember? It's okay if you don't. Casey?
2 pi r squared.
Close. It's not going to have a square though because it's not area. Okay. You don't have to use them both. Do you have a preference which one you want to use? Okay. You can use either one, okay? Cole spoke up first, so we'll use this one in our class. But you can use pi times diameter, that's what Kurosawa wanted to use, so it's okay. How diameter is equal to how many radiuses? 2. That's why it's the 2 and the R. Okay? So, looking at this, we're going to figure out where this formula comes from. Here is our diameter. Right here. Suppose I was to wrap this around the circle. How many times do you think?
Sorry. I'm just checking. 4.
The diameter will wrap around. It's not the same as yesterday's, by the way.
Just under 4, probably.
Don't answer the question. Okay, that's it.
4. 5. 4.
Okay, so let's look. So I'm going to pull the diameters off.
3.
3, and does it quite work?
No.
4.
0.14. Why is boy in the back saying 0.14?
Yeah. Pi. You take diameter times pi. Pi is 3.14.
Oh, so you're saying where the formula comes from is it's approximately 3 in diameters and a little bit more to get around, and that's why they call it pi times diameter. These mathematicians, they make sense. Okay, let's do 3 examples. So, number 1. And I do know your name, Colton. That's an 8. Sorry, it looks kind of funny. So for exact, I would have 2 times pi times r, which is 8. Simplify that. What numbers can I multiply together? Pi 16, but we like to put the number first. So 16 pi would be exact with a label of inches.
Square. Oh, no, not square.
It's not area, so just inches. And my thing is going crazy. Okay. Now, Cole, what's rounded?
50.27 inches.
50.27. So you have to use a calculator to get that. sure you got that. Okay. Okay, example 2. Is this one exactly like the last one?
No.
No, we have to work backwards, right? Okay? Again, you can use whichever formula you like, but pay attention because there is a calculator trick, and I don't want you to miss this on the test because you're sleeping now. How do we solve?
Or divide by 2 for.
Okay, do it step by step. Don't do divided by 2 pi. Your calculator will most likely give you the wrong answer. So do it step by step. So let's divide by 2 first. 80 divided by 2 is? Okay,
What if we did the diameter and we did 80 divided by 2?
that's fine.
That works too?
Now what? Divide by pi. Now just give me a decimal answer for my radius. What? Okay, is that what you guys got? And my label is inches. And Jake is saying diameter, just take it times 2 and you get,
25.46.
and is that what you got, Colin?
Yes.
Okay. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. True story. This is our third example. A couple years ago, went on a mission trip to the Dominican Republic, and we had to laminate like 50 feet of stuff. Okay, so we went somewhere in Des Moines and did this. So, what does the thing on the left do?
How many times it goes around?
It counts how many times it goes around, right? And so going around in a circle is the what?
Circumference.
Circumference. Okay? So they charge you by the foot. Okay, so me being super cool, not nerdy, wanted to figure out, is this accurate? Okay? So therefore you see me holding the ruler. Okay. So our third example, we are going to figure out, is this size of the wheel actually accurate? Okay? So, we still need to figure out circumference, but we need to figure out the radius. Now,
What, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8?
I'll count them with you. What does inches break up to? How many tick marks? 16ths, right? Okay, so if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, looks like 13. Okay, looks like 13. So my radius would be what as a fraction? 1 and 13/16, but can't type that into a calculator like that. Most of you cannot, anyway. So can you guys get 13/16 as a decimal for me, please? Oh, you shop people might be good at it. 11.8125.
Yeah.
Okay? So, can you please calculate the circumference for me and tell me is it close to a foot?
25 times 4.
Yes, it's 11.47.
Did you guys get 11.47? Is that close enough for you? To 12 feet? Oh, wow, feet, wow.
Inches.
Wow, inches.
Did you have 11?
I got 37.
Oh, I got 39.
I got 392.
Okay,
Because you don't round it, it's 388.
okay, somewhere around there? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, well, somewhere under 12, right? Is it a whole foot? No. So, I was too scared to say anything. But in my mind, I was like, not a foot. So, I'm only hoping that maybe that's why the rubber bands are there, not to ease the wheel, but to like, I don't know, add the distance. Anyway, so, you too might be in this circumstance, and then you can calculate it yourself. And maybe you will be bold enough to actually say something to the person, like your wheel's the wrong size. Okay, this assignment is slightly different from the sheet. I took off the hardwood problems because it is a long weekend, okay? You have 10-ish minutes to get this done. I think you can, okay? You can work with somebody, that's fine. You can get out your phones now, that's fine.